Yes, so I've been a banker for 13 years, working at BNP Paribas and Société Générale, and I started Komgo with 4 other person 7 years and a half, and I'm today the Chief Revenue Officer for Komgo. I take care of all the sales, professional services, anyone facing the client. I think trade is always going to be complicated to standardize. There's very much specificities to every market, every country. It has changed a lot, despite the fact that we still feel that it's very fragmented. I think commodity space that was very unique also became a bit more standard. So we've seen standardization, we see initiative going in this direction. MT798 has been one of them. Swift is a big driver of this standardization. I really think that it comes from them. The new API standard with the ICC is also a game changer for standardization. Still, we will always have specificities, and I don't think standardization is possible, but I think it's happening. I think trade is for most corporates not so important. I think treasury, payment, cash has been at the forefront of their concern. That's why we've seen the rise of big TMS companies like Kiriba, like FIS, like these big TMS providing forecasts on the cash, the ability to communicate with multi-bank. And trade has always been like another pain point, but not the major pain point. I see that now that treasurer, CFO are now equipped with payment solution or payment management solutions. Trade become the next step. So we see it with very large corporates that are coming to us to equip themselves with what we call now trade finance management system, TFMS, and that are a bit the same, but at a small scale to a certain extent. So just a question of time, but things changing. I've been thinking about it. I think cloud is a big change. I think the fact that SaaS is coming into play is huge. A lot of the back office of the system that banks and corporates have been using generally were on-premise, and when it's on-premise, they don't evolve fast. The fact that cloud now, the likes of AWS or Azure, is spread everywhere and allows any bank, any corporate to access software that can be upgraded quickly, allows the potential, the arrival of AI is going to be so fast because you can just roll it really quickly on a SaaS solution. On an on-premise solution, it comes with much more complexity, and I think SaaS cloud is a big driver. I mean, we are in the world that evolves so fast, and on the other side, we have some digitalisation steps that have never been solved. Like we still don't have EBL, most of the documents are still paper-based. I don't think it's going to change so fast. So I'm a believer that AI will be an accelerator of digitalization. I think that trade knowledge will progressively disappear and will be replaced by systems that have this knowledge. We will see more and more standardization. We see it already with large corporates. We see standardized format coming. So I think that the next 25 years is going to be about how do we simplify trade, make it much more affordable, easy to process, easy to access. And I think it will come more on the format of the instrument than on the type of instrument than probably on the documentation.